What if I told you convenience just cost this Arlington Heights homeowner $60,000? Not repairs, not time, just convenience. And before you say, well, maybe the house was a mess, stick with me because this one tells a very different story. This property is a single family home in Arlington Heights. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, attached 2-car garage, just over 1,600 square feet. Solid home, solid neighborhood, nothing wild here. Okay, on September 30th of 2025, the home was listed with a realtor for $469,900. It was clearly marked as an estate sale, which already tells us the seller likely wanted a smooth, respectful transaction. But just days later, the listing was canceled. Okay, fast forward to November 7th, 2025. The property sells to one of those we buy houses as is for cash companies for $420,000. No showings, no open house, no waiting. Sounds appealing, right? Now here's where it really gets interesting. Just 2 weeks later, on November 21st, that same cash buyer lists the property with the realtor for $499,900. So naturally, I compared the photos. And guess what? Nothing was done. Same kitchen, same bathrooms, same floors. The only difference? No furniture. That's it. Okay, you can see from the pictures, nothing was done. Same cabinets, same flooring, same light fixtures. But on December 10th, the home goes under contract. Cash buyer again, fast closing. And on December 29th, it officially closes for $480,000. Let's just pause there a minute. Okay, original seller sold $420,000. The cash buyer resold it for $480,000. That's a $60,000 difference. No renovations, no upgrades, no improvements. That $60,000 was the price of convenience. So here's the big question. Did the seller make the wrong decision? Not necessarily. They may have wanted speed. They may have wanted zero stress. They may not have wanted to deal with clearing out belongings. But here's the part most homeowners don't realize. You can still sell as is, still avoid repairs, still have help with clean out without handing over tens of thousands of dollars. I'm not here to shame sellers. I'm here to show you the real numbers before you sign anything with one of these companies. If you're dealing with an estate property, an inherited home, or just feeling overwhelmed, talk to someone who can show you all your options, not just the fastest one. And now I want to hear from you. Would you give up $60,000 for convenience? Or would you explore another strategy? Probably for a few $100 and a dumpster, you can hire some high school kids to do that. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want help figuring out what your home is actually worth, you know where to find me. I get calls all the time, so feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope I'll see you in another one.